What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. We're not doing a restoration project today. We're doing a few unboxings. We have a few pickups as well as a few restoration projects that have come in. As you guys may know, shelter in place is still in full effect right now all across the US. I've just been at home working on restoration projects, working out videos to put out for you guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying at home. And for all the essential workers out there, I can thank you all for your continued efforts to keep everything running smoothly in the US. And for any new viewers out there, I thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm going to be putting a lot more out in the future. So yeah guys, I have 5 packages here. 4 are going to be single items and 1's going to be a little bit of a bigger purchase. I have a pretty good idea of what's going to be in these packages right now, but I'm going to be unboxing these just to share with you guys what I've been getting in. Alright guys, the first package is going to be from the homie Chris from Vegas, the same one that gave me the Untiffany's for the donors for the Tiffany swap. Alright guys, the first item we have right here is a Nike ACG sweater. Yeah guys, shout out to my brother Chris for picking me up this hoodie from Las Vegas Outlets for a cool price of $25. As you can see, it's a dark teal colorway with that purple hit on the front. Very heavyweight, very good quality. Tactical drawstrings, zipper pockets. Probably not the best for this time of the season, but we'll be ready for next year. Second item we have on our list is going to be from Supreme. I've ordered this about a week and a half ago. And the second item we have here is going to be the Supreme Kanji Crewneck from this season. So I fell in love with this piece when I saw it in this season's preview. I'm a sucker for anything with kanji on it. It's a black crewneck with yellow lettering with a red outline. The kanji is a tonal stitch, so it's black on black, so I like how it doesn't pop too much. The letters are enough, but then once you get close to it, you see the kanji. So since this piece is part of the spring and summer collection, it's a little bit thinner than the fall winter crew necks. It's a perfect weight. It's great for nights in the Bay Area where it doesn't get too cold. Alright guys, the next 2 packages are going to be coming from the same person, so I have a pretty good idea of who they're from and what they are. This is going to be a restoration project right here, and possibly for a future video as well. This is going to be the next pair right here. So here we have a 2000 pair of Concords, guys. As you can see, the soles have been fully removed already. All the glue is dried up and the soles just came right off. There's yellowing on the mesh, but the owner doesn't want us to touch any of the mesh, any of the yellowing. He wants to keep it looking vintage. He only requests that we re-glue the soles and make them wearable again. Air units are also bad on these, so we're going to be putting in some new air units. Not original ones, but we're going to be coming up with something to do. Despite how they look now, I feel like we could get these pretty clean. Video for this is going to be coming real soon, guys. And like I said, next pair is going to be from the same person as well. And we have another pair of 11s, a 2000 pair of Space Jams right here. This pair of 2000 Space Jams is super clean. Size 11 comes with OG box. Yeah guys, same as the Concords, we're just going to have to re-glue these, make sure everything is intact. We're going to take out the old air units and put in new ones. These held up a little bit better than the Concords, but you can see here there's massive separation on the sides. They're not completely off yet, but all the glue is dried up. All the dry glue is all around my room right now. We're definitely going to get these looking right real soon, guys. Sometimes yellow soles just look so good, and these are one of those rare occasions. Alright guys, so I ordered this at the beginning of the season when Nike did their 40% off sale. I thought there were some really good deals on there. There was a lot more that I wanted, but I stuck to these pairs right here. Alright guys, so the first pair we have right here, orange Nike Sportswear vintage box. It's going to be a pair of the white and black Nike Blazers. So this is a shoe that I've wanted for a while now. I just never wanted to pay retail for it. I think it's super clean, super sleek. I like the suede toe caps, just like the vintage pairs. It's all around a great everyday shoe. Very casual, you could dress it up, dress it down. Definitely, I feel like this is my favorite pickup in the video. It's just so versatile. Alright guys, next pair up on our list, we have a purple Kyrie box right here. This is going to be the Kyrie 6. Right here we have the Kyrie 6 Enlightenments. So I got these for hoop even though I don't hoop that often. These are the Kyrie 6 Enlightenments. It's called the Enlightenments because it has that hidden eye of Horus on the side and the suede. I like this shoe because it has a lot of details. There's a lot of Eye of Horus designs all throughout the shoe. I like the colorway. And when I hoop, I usually like to hoop in Kyries because they have a bit of a wider foot base. I have a pretty wide foot. KD's, Kobe's, LeBron's, they're usually a little bit narrow for me. And here's the last shoe in our box right here. Black box right here. Nike Undercover collab. I wanted the men's pair in these, but they didn't have them in my size, so I opted for the women's pair, which is in all black. Here we have the Nike Undercover Daybreaks. And this shoe right here is something I've been eyeing for a while now, just the men's colorway because it has a white swoosh, but these are okay too. I've been liking what Nike's been doing with most of the waffle designs. These are the Undercover collab, the Daybreaks, a new take on the waffle, and I think that's really nice. That heel counter is just so dope. It makes the shoe so unique. It's so over the top, but then again, it's so simple at the same time. Because this is a women's pair, the width is a little bit narrow, but I'm hoping that it's gonna break in. Alright you guys, that's gonna do it for today's pickup video. We got a lot of quality pickups right here as well as a few restoration projects. If you guys liked any pairs in this video right here, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like the lime green bed sheets, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be putting out a lot more content in the future. I know I'm pretty new to YouTube, I'm still getting the hang of everything, but I'm just still trying to come with quality videos for you guys to watch. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Which pair was your favorite out of all this right here, and hopefully I'm going to have more pickup videos for you guys soon.